I went here to get that, to show you this. 101 feet from one end to the other. You know what else is 101 feet? The famous blue whale in the American Museum of Natural History is only 94 feet long. You can fit that blue whale in your new living room. A Boeing 737-500 is 102 feet long and seats 132 passengers. If we had just another foot, let's just say you'd be flying the friendly skies about now. But an NBA basketball court, that's also 94 feet long. You can invite 9 of your friends over to shoot some hoops and play some b-ball right in your new living room. Well, sort of. I mean, it's only 18 feet wide and the ceiling height is just under 10 feet, but you get the idea. Welcome to the 17th floor penthouse of the Beekman region, 351 East 51st Street in Midtown East. Now, if I had a big budget and some special effects, I'd do this cool tracking shot where as I walk, the background scenes would morph to show you all the seamless ways to enjoy this wide open layout. Here, for instance, I'd show a dinner party for 24. And believe me, if these walls could talk, they'd have quite the stories to tell. Here, maybe we'd show a family sharing some quiet time together, reading a book, working on a puzzle. There used to be a gorgeous grand piano right about here, so maybe we'd show weekly piano lessons or an intimate concert for friends. And here, I don't know, maybe some friends watching a game together or family movie night, but it's just me. So instead, I'll stop talking and let you imagine yourself at home in the space. And if that's not spectacular enough, access through 9 doors is your own private garden terrace. And this isn't just any outdoor space. Measuring over 107 feet long and 11 feet wide, it brings a bit of the countryside to your city life, giving a very special meaning to the term country living. While you enjoy some of these incredible views, I'm gonna go run ahead and meet you in the kitchen. Actually, scratch that. Let's start at the beginning with the details. This is a 6,000 square foot home that occupies the entire 17th floor of an award-winning full-service condominium. A private entry foyer welcomes you off the passcode locked elevator and leads you to the front of the apartment, which we've seen. But here's some magic to the layout. This 39-foot long gallery leads you to the enormous chef's kitchen. But this ain't no ordinary 39-foot gallery. No. It works to create a discreet and private approach to and from the kitchen, perfect for serving your guests, while creating an amazing canvas to showcase your artwork. And look at this kitchen. I mean, this is equipped for everything your chef or the chef in you would need to whip up Friday night dinners, Saturday lunches, or Sunday brunches. Now, also off the gallery is this library/den, as well as a powder room. What I also love about this floor plan is how it separates what I refer to as the public from the private areas, or the living from the sleeping quarters. On the other end of the home, separate from living and entertaining spaces, are the bedrooms. The residence is currently set up for 4, each with its own ensuite bathroom. The one closest to the living room works great as a guest suite. And on this end are your other bedrooms, as well as this additional room here, which works great as a media room, TV room, or family room. This is a one-of-a-kind home. And what's exciting is that it's the first time it's ever been offered for sale. I can't wait for the opportunity to show it to you with a private tour.